Okay, let's unbox this brand new camera. Gently. Right, oh, here's the clue. EOS M200. What's in the box? Okay. Actually, it's a small box. I expected it. We'll keep the packaging. Okay, gently. Very gently. It's important to keep the packaging in good order. So one. Brand new instruction booklet. Keep that to one side. Battery, one side. Charger, British plug. Battery insert for charger. This is the lens. You've got to be very careful. This is very brand new. So look at this. This is lens. And this is the actual camera. Let's look at the box. Right. Does it focus? 24 megapixel, 4K, eye detect. Eye detect. Very important. Touchscreen, Wi-Fi capabilities. Well, this is the most important aspect. Get rid of your old DSLR because the game changed. Your camera focusing needs eye detect, especially if you do a lot of portraiture. Eye detect is everything. I've gotten rid of my old DSLR. It cost me a lot of money, but it didn't have eye detect. So that's the thing. 4K video, I don't have too much faith in that one. I know it doesn't have the special focus, but you can use it for landscapes. 24 megapixel, it's Canon, but the eye detect servo focus is the most important aspect. That's the most important thing you need. Okay, let's put the camera all together. Very gently. Very gently. It's a small camera, but it's got a 24 megapixel crop sensor. That's the most important thing. I know it doesn't have a viewfinder, but this is the best way, cheapest way you can buy a crop sensor Canon camera with eye detect. That's the most important thing. It's not the size, it's the cheapest way you can buy a Canon camera with eye detect. Some people say the M series lenses are obsolete. They may be are, but that may be a good thing because the lenses will be cheaper. But I haven't seen that online because a lot of people have realized that they want a good thing. Okay, this is the actual lens, M series lens, and here we are, 15 to 45 millimeter image stabilizer is made for this, and it can handle the eye detect autofocus. And it locks out. You have to lock it out, I know this. So the important thing now is to put the camera in without getting any dust in the sensor. And I probably won't open the lens from it ever again, because this is all the lens I need for my portraiture. Now, this is the dangerous part, right? We place it like this, but this thing, 1 minute, I'm just going to loosen it first. I'm not going to open it in case small dust falls on the sensor on the lens part, and that will cause me a lot of problems. Alright, I've loosened it. Now, like a magician, I'm going to turn it upside down so no dust will fall there. I'm just going to give a quick glimpse of the sensor. See that? That's all. That's all you'll see. You'll never see again. I'll hold it upside down. Hold it like that. Try to align it. White dot to white dot. And click. That's it. I'll never ever open it again because I'm afraid of getting dust on the sensor. That's all done now. Now let's get the battery out. It may have a little bit of charge on it. It looks small, but it's got a 24 megapixel crop sensor with the eye detect autofocus. And that's the best thing. This only cost me £450. Can you believe that? And if I was to get an EOS R10, it cost me over £1,000 with the lens. So this is a brilliant thing. So this is the cheapest way to get a crop sensor with the eye detect autofocus. And if you do portraiture, you must have one. Let's get the battery. I'm gambling that there's a little bit of charge in the battery. Okay. Right, I have plenty of Canon camera before. Put that in. There we go. And that's it locked. Now, hopefully it should work. Now, is the on button on top? Aha! It's worked. See that one? So, today's what? As I said, generally, it's the 22nd. September. I must have got this wrong. (2022). At the time? Time is, well, let's leave it as it is. So the battery is really down. So this is just unboxing. I'll check out the, so you click that to release the lens. That's it. It's one of those lenses. It's a compact lens. It's clicked away for storage. Right? Aha. It's locked in again. It's locked in. Locked out. That's the zoom. That's the focus. I'm gonna lock it in now. We need to charge the battery. That's locked in. The lens case on. Oh. We need to charge the battery. It looks small, but I've had plenty of huge cameras, D90s, D80s, 80Ds, with the same crop sensor, and they were much bigger. But this has got the eye focus for portraiture, which will be tested out. So now, get the battery. Okay, so this is the best priced Canon APS-C Ultra Eye Focus dedicated to photography. Your eyes will be always in focus, in theory, and you should get excellent shots with a brilliant Canon color photography. But it's not for blogging or video because it doesn't have a mic input, and the other thing is it doesn't have a hot shoe to carry your mic either. But as far as Ultra Eye Focus is concerned, it always gets the nearest eye in focus.